Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel PMN Online. Have you ever noticed that your link colors, hyperlinks, don't match your website's design? That's a common issue. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys exactly how to change hyperlink color in Elementor so you can ensure your links are branded and stand out, whether in a paragraph, a heading, or a footer. Without further ado, let's dive right in and learn this Elementor link styling technique. Important: global versus local styling. There are two main ways to change hyperlink color in Elementor. Global styling, changing the color for every link on your entire website, recommended for consistency. Local styling, changing the color for a specific link in a specific widget, useful for one-off emphasis. Method 1. Global hyperlink color change, the best SEO practice. This method ensures consistency across your entire site, which is great for user experience and branding for PMN Online. Access global settings. Go to your Elementor editor. Click the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Site Settings. This opens the global styling panel for your entire website. Navigate to Typography. Under the Design System section, click on Typography. Find Link Color. Scroll down within the typography settings until you find the link color controls. You would typically see two options. Normal. This controls the standard color of the hyperlink when a user is not interacting with it. Hover. This controls the color of the hyperlink when a user hovers their mouse over it. Set your colors. Set the normal color to your primary brand color, and set the hover color to an accent color to provide visual feedback to the user. Click Update at the bottom of the Site Settings panel. This change will instantly update the hyperlink color everywhere on your website, providing a professional and consistent look for your Elementor website design. Method 2. Local hyperlink color change, CSS override. If you only want to change the color of a link within one specific widget, for example, in a text editor widget, and override the global color, you can use a quick CSS fix. Select the widget, click on the specific widget like the text editor that contains the hyperlink you want to customize. Go to the Style tab in the Elementor panel. Here you will see option like Link Color. Click on it and change it to the one of your choice. Here, I am choosing Blue 1. If you want to do for whole widget, then you need to change the text color as I am doing here. That's it. Hopefully this guide helped you quickly master how to change hyperlink color in Elementor and enhance your site's look. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. We at PMN Online are here to help you build beautiful, optimized websites. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.